Hey guys, my name is Nick. I'm coming at you today with top reasons why your iPhone 5 and 5S are still perfectly capable devices and why you might actually want to just stay with them if you currently have them. So let's get into the reasons. Your first reason is that all your apps that are on the App Store are actually perfectly optimized for it. iOS 8 is still new, and the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus are also still new. So really, your phone right now can run every app in the App Store just fine. Yes, including the iPhone 5 users that are still chugging along with those 2-year-old specs can do just fine. Second, I want to talk about how easy it is to handle your phone. It has a 4-inch screen size that is a Retina display, which Retina means that you just cannot see the pixels at a normal viewing distance. So, with that small size comes a great feature of not having to use two hands to use the device properly, which is just great for stuff to do on the go. Our next reason is Touch ID. So Touch ID is very awesome. I didn't think I would really care for it that much until I used it. Now this is only for the iPhone 5S users. So after the first login, it is very convenient and very secure to use your fingerprint to log into your phone. So after the first login, you got to put in your personal Apple ID password, and then after that, you're good to go. Everything should work just properly. This is also the same case for the App Store. You would have to put in your password for the first time as well there, but after that, you're good to go. Now what's also great in the new features of iOS 8 is that you can actually just use your fingerprint to log into certain apps. I've seen Amazon use this, I've seen Evernote use this, I've seen Mint.com use this, and obviously there's going to be a lot more that come. So also, the next great feature is your camera. Just because Apple took another year to upgrade their camera doesn't mean that yours suddenly got worse. With iOS 8, now you can do a tap to focus. If you look on the right side of your focus box, you will actually see a new exposure level. After you set your focus just with a tap to focus, you can hover on any other part of the screen and set your exposure by pushing up or down. This is extremely exciting for me, being that this is a feature I've been wanting in iOS for a very long time now. It just gives the photographer or videographer just another little touch to add to their videos to make them have a very creative and professional look if they so desire. As a side note, Apple also unleashed their camera features to be used by any app developer, so now all the different app developers actually have a broader range of features to put into their apps, which is pretty exciting. So last but not least is the ecosystem experience. So if you have a 5 or 5S, you have the ability to use the two features, continuity and handoff. So these two features are actually only available if you have another Mac or an iPad. So what you'll be able to do is actually set up your two devices to talk to each other. So if you start texting your buddy on your iPhone and all of a sudden you want to continue the conversation onto your computer, it'll be just a simple click away and it'll go directly into that message. This also works with iWork and a few other apps that Apple sells, but I'm sure some other app developers will be using this feature also. Alright guys, so those are my top 5 features of why your iPhone 5 and 5S are still awesome. Please leave a like or a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I'm just starting my YouTube channel here, so any comment is really appreciated. So I will talk to you guys later. Let me know what else y'all would like to see on this channel. I'll see you later.